We are known as opting out of normal. What got us started was our youngest went off to college. We did the empty nesting thing for a little while. We had a little bit more spare time to think about, what we really wanted out of life. We took a 9-day vacation in an RV, and we looked at each other and said, what are we doing? Pretty much made the decision over a bottle of wine that,
or maybe two,
or maybe two, that we could do this full time. We just needed to downsize. We could spend more time volunteering, and that's been extremely rewarding. Last Christmas, we were able to actually go down and help out down in Port Aransas after Hurricane Harvey came through, and that's going to be part of our travels from now on. Our rig is a 39-foot Grand Design 369 RL. When we go out and travel, we try to get out and see nature, explore areas, explore places off the beaten path. There shouldn't be any thought involved in, can I do this, can I not do this? And
at first I had to ask, can I run the microwave and plug in my curling iron?
So I knew that I needed a pretty substantial bank. We started off with lead acid. We had 6 golf cart batteries, basically, 6-volt golf cart batteries. And then if we go exploring, if I got to run a generator to recharge the battery bank, I got to sit at the trailer because I can't let the generator run while I'm gone. I knew that lithium was definitely a technology that was growing. The Battle Born technology was making it so that a decent sized solar setup on your RV could make it where you could live totally off grid. As soon as we were able to justify, the cost and do the evaluations and see the ease of use, it was a no-brainer.
And we know if we have a problem, we know who we can call, and that it's going to get handled. It's a real comforting.
The original warranty was 3 years on the Battle Born batteries, and for a company to come out and say, you know what, we have more faith in our product, we're going to make it a 10-year warranty. How often does that happen?
Anybody who can do it should make the switch. Anybody.
Everybody out there looks at them and says, they're definitely top-notch batteries. Once I was able to start working with a few, putting together a couple different installs with the Battle Borns, it didn't take me long to realize that you really can't get much better than the technology that Battle Born is putting into their batteries. It's just huge.